This is one of the worst things to happen while 3D printing and how to fix it. The Z offset was not set properly and therefore my nozzle grinded into the print bed. The Z offset is one of the most important things in 3D printing because it's the distance between the print head and the build plate when starting a print. If it's too low, the nozzle will dig into the print bed. If it's too high, the first layer will not stick. I set the value to be negative because I'm very used to using a negative value on my old printers. However, this new Anycubic Cobra 3 will set the offset automatically with auto leveling. So I pretty much broke it. The double-sided PEI textured build plate can just be flipped over. Just make sure you scrape the damaged side for debris and you'll be good to go. And now that my nozzle is completely obliterated, let's change it out. Get a 12mm wrench and a 6mm socket and gently apply pressure to loosen the nozzle. Here's the old nasty nozzle. Here's a new fresh nozzle. Put it in. Once again, very gently tighten the nozzle and then do one final slight turn on it to get it seated fully in there. And you want to do it while it's preheated. I forgot to mention that. If your printer has calibration modes, run it. That's about it, guys. Please avoid this mistake. It's really annoying. And follow me for more 3D printing tips.